Nobody out on the offside. It's well bowled. Very well bowled. Declines the single. Just one ball to go. And this is the 48th over. Have to take the single now. He'll probably be looking for a boundary though.
They should be.
Just one taken. Could have tried to hit that out the park, actually. 262 for 9. To look at the scorecard, up to Razak on 82 off 62. He's run out of partners. This is the last wicket. He's got Shoaib Akhtar with him. 25 to win from 12. Got a full toss at the end of the last over. Just decided to pat it onto the onside and take one. Oh, that's why. That's why he wants to be on strike and he wants to hit some boundaries and ensure that Pakistan get home. Oh, 6 off the first ball, throws it wide open.
Shaheen was taking a fearful battering. Previous over went for 20. Again, he's in the slot, missing his length. Got to be full and you've got to be straight. All full and just inside the white line on the offside. When you bowl that length, you're right in the arc.
You want it to be just a touch. Leg side, you want to be on about leg stump. That's the Yorker you're looking for. It's struck well, but will not take a single. He wants to do it himself. And with good reason, he's striking it fantastically. A bit of worry on the face of Johan Botha. And the other South Africans as well, on the field and off the field. 19 off 10, very much on. South Africa 1 wicket away though. Well done, very well done by A.B. de Villiers. It was on its way to the boundary and fine too.
Well, the quandary for Abdul Razak is that he can't leave himself with 19 to get in the last over. So somewhere along the line, he's either going to have to try and hit another boundary or two, or he's going to have to take a couple of runs, because 19 to get off the last over will be too many.
Oh my word! Goodness me! That was a crack off the bat. 4 runs.
Tempted bouncer. Well, Shaheen is definitely not getting it right. He's trying to bowl too many different deliveries. So he's actually confusing himself and making it tough for Johan Botha to set a field. So we're talking about 19, now it's just 15.
Beautiful situation here. It just looked all done and dusted. South Africa were looking to get in at a canter. But Razak has played magnificently. Taking it all on. That might go for 4 as well. No. Just 1 run taken.
South Africa came on this tour to work on exactly this situation. They've been concerned about their ability to contain good opposition in the batting power play and at the death. They're struggling a little bit again tonight.
14 from 7. Change of emotion for that man there. He was happy all through the day. Charles Langerfeld going for a wicket here. He has to. Nicely played. Dot ball, cheered fervently in the crowd. 273 for 9, 14 of the last over. 273 for 9, Pakistan. They were gone for all money. And then Abdul Razak turned up and has got 93 off 67. And he's got them right in it. He is the one to do it if they get there. 14 from 6 balls. It's going to be Albie Morkel to bowl this final over. Sweeper on the offside. Nope, he's coming back in. Reverting to the old field. Nobody sweeping on the offside. Long off, long on, deep mid-wicket, deep square leg and fine leg. Here we go. Oh, well bowled. It starts exactly in the same fashion as his previous over. Through the legs, a yorker. Through to the keeper, a dot.
Very important for both sides. The first couple of deliveries in this final over. Good thinking by Albie Morkel. So there we have it. 5 deliveries remaining. 14 runs required. Pakistan have done well to get this close. They were out of it. They were well out of it until Abdul Razak took over.
Oh, goodness me! He smoked that right onto the embankment. Fantastic shot for 6. He's on to 99, Abdul Razak.
What a shot. Albie Morkel, full toss, missing the yorker length. Razak, he's not going to miss out on that. That takes him to 99 as well. Sensational inning so far.
Oh my word. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? 100 up. It brings it up with 100. With a 6, I should say. 105 of 70 balls. Just 2 runs left to get now for Pakistan. This is in the slot, and he just dispatches it out the park.
Well, we keep talking about that length. You cannot get your length wrong at the death. 2 runs to win. 3 deliveries in which to get them. Who would have thought that Pakistan back into this one? If they win this match, the series will come alive.
He was after it, and then gave up the ghost. The ground not big enough. Length missed and punished by Abdul Razak. He's punished every bowler that's bowled at the depth in the pressure situations here and missed their lengths. 2 from 3 balls. There's some fielders in the deep, long on, long off, deep backward square, fine leg. Oh, it's a big appeal from behind. A.B. de Villiers has gone out, but a belated appeal from Albie Morkel. He's convinced A.B. de Villiers, but needed some help. We'll need to listen to that.
With a few controversial decisions tonight. Pretty tough to tell. A.B. de Villiers was convinced. He was convinced over before as well with the ball carried to him, and that was given not out as well. So he's perplexed, to say the least. So all adding to the drama.
They're having a fantastic time. They were sad a bit earlier. Felt that Pakistan had capitulated again. Different now. Pakistan have got home a sensational innings by Abdul Razak. 109 from 72 balls. He's taken his side single-handedly home and beaten South Africa. It was done and dusted. Johan Botha and his men would have felt that they were home, just about home, and needed a clinical performance, and they were on their way there with a performance that seemingly was clinical. But brilliance, sheer brilliance by Abdul Razak has meant that Pakistan have squared the series. It's South Africa's first loss in 11 matches. Jubilation all round, and you can understand it. A team that's down, the defense off the field not going so well, defense on the field not going well either. Needed that win desperately. Johan Botha left scratching his head. He'll definitely feel that his side should have been able to defend the 286 that they got. Some wonderful performances with the bat. And then the ball letting the side down when it counted. You've got to give credit, though, to Abdul Razak. Cheered as he goes off. Look at that, an embrace from his coach, Waqar Younis. Superb stuff. Congratulations from Jacques Kallis and a few of the other South Africans as well. But some searching to do. Intikab Alam, the team manager, saying well done. Off he goes into the change room. No doubt we'll hear when Ramiz Raja does the post-match presentation. Here's a look at that.